We have a Dirisa Kenzo Musuza. You're welcome, Karonji Shiva. Pius Palazzo. Joseph Mayanja. Chameleon. Moses Saleh. Martin Moomuza. Michael Kalumba. Lillian Mbabazi. Lord Fred Sebata. Alex Lokuten. Cindy Sanyo. Daniel Kazibwe. Ragadi. Pastor Wilson Bugembe. Pastor, where is Pastor? Martin Musoke. Joanita Kawalia. Matthew Nabwiso. Nathan Magola. Cassandra Richard. Kansime Ann. Annette Nanduja. Aisha Nava Ziwa. Sewanyana Malcolm. Raymond Kaisa.
That once a creative produces his work, he has a right to that work. But for you to benefit from the protections provided by the law, you must register. Yes. Because you will find it very difficult to tell someone that they're infringing your rights when they did not know they were your works.
First of all, I want to thank all the members of Parliament for passing this very important law. I also want to thank you, Honorable Hilary, for the first initiation. I want to thank government for ensuring that the bill came to the House. I want to thank, in a very special way, the Attorney General. I also want to thank the committee for the good work you've done. I also want to thank our stakeholders for being here and following up the law. I want to thank, Kavanda, you said I thank you. Okay, I want to thank Honorable Kavanda and myself. But in a special way, I want to thank all the members of Parliament. And one thing I want to tell our good friends there was no ill emotion, no ill motive on delaying the bill. Now the bill has passed.